Hello, my name is Phil Lianos, and this is the BUSU 640 final business plan presentation regarding the Go Green Landscaping LLC. The purpose of this presentation is to exhibit and articulate the business plan of the Go Green Landscaping LLC. It's going to include succinct data, key benefits, supporting the market entry opportunities, the innovation, and also the overall viability of the business plan. Currently, there is a huge need for residential and even business drought-friendly landscaping services in the central San Joaquin Valley, because there's over 50 counties currently in California that are experiencing a prolonged 15-year drought, as exhibited in the California map down there. Fresno, California, which will be the primary geographical area served, currently has watering restriction mandates in place that includes fines up to $200 per month if not adhered to. One of the major key benefits of going to drought-friendly landscaping is improved curb appeal. Improved curb appeal creates higher property value, which is a win-win for everybody. The neighborhood, the neighbors, the homeowners association, and most importantly, the property owner themselves. Curb appeal and property value are close to the heart of home and property owners. The Go Green Landscaping LLC can significantly improve the curb appeal and property value of the home, residence, or business. Drought-friendly landscaping designs and installation can raise the property value all the way up to 15%, and the returns on investment can be up to 400%. Looking at the images below, you can see one home with poor curb appeal and the other one with excellent curb appeal, and you can totally see the difference on how it portrays and demonstrates a value. Decreased water usage. As Californians, we take pride in contributing to preserving our environment and leading national trends, specifically in conservation. What better way to save water, lead the way, and also save money in addition to avoiding pesky watering restriction fines? By using less water, significant less water, you're not going to pay as much for water bills. Here in the central California, we utilize water meters that kind of gauge how much water usage you have, and if you go to drought-friendly landscaping, the customer is going to have a saved cost, and the longer period of time, the more cost saved there's going to be. So this is a good thing. Looking down here at the images, you can see how vibrant the color schemes are. The business allows the customer to individualize. They paint on the grass. It could be sports themed, it could be patriotic, or old-fashioned drought-friendly landscaping with wonderful shrubs and foliage and rocks, you name it. One way that the business has an innovation component is the Go Green Landscaping Company is the only one in the San Joaquin Valley that will accept cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, whether for partial or full payment. And this is a good thing because many people want to save their money in the bank and just kind of use their investments, and many people who have invested in Bitcoin have had major returns. Bitcoin has grown over 9,183% over a 5-year period. And if you can use that towards, home improvement, raising curb appeal, investing in your home, it's a win-win situation because you're not using your money per se, you're using your Bitcoin stock, which helps out you, the customer, and also the business, because the business is going to reinvest back into the cryptocurrency market. The proof is in the numbers. The Go Green Landscaping LLC business it's going to thrive because it only takes 1 to 1.5 units of service per month to be sustainable and even profitable. The break-even sales level is $334,000 annually, broken down by 12 months, which comes out to around $27,891 per month. With the average cost per square foot of landscaping at a rate of $10 to $12 per square foot, most residential lot sizes in the Central California area are about 6,000 square feet. So using a conservative approach, if 3,500 square feet is re-landscaped, this comes out to about $28,000 for the cost of services at a price point of $8 a square foot. And this is significant because that is $2 under the competition. So we consider that a competitive advantage, but also enough to break even and make a profit. So with the staffing patterns, the equipment, the cost, you name it, that's only one property or 1.5 property per month to break even and make a profit. That's good news. Anything above is going to be put it back in the bank. So this presentation was successful at exhibiting and articulating the business plan of the Go Green Landscaping LLC. The data and the rationale supported the market entry opportunities because of the drought and also the fines that are faced and an opportunity to make a difference, a positive difference in California, and the innovation ideas. Our research shows that many people have gained an advantage in the stock market and made money off of cryptocurrency, which they can utilize for partial or full payment. In addition to that, the business also has the individualized lawn painting. If you got a favorite sports team or a political candidate, or you just want to send an inspiring message, the business can do that. And overall, the viability of the business plan is sustainable and will make a profit. Thank you for your time.